In this video, I will provide a review about Automotive Oil Film Cleaning Brush. It's a product claiming to provide comprehensive windshield care with a hydrophobic coating for better visibility. But is it worth buying? Let's find out. It removes oil and grime for a clearer windshield. Hydrophobic coating repels water for better visibility in rain. It features multipurpose use on car windows, mirrors, and shower doors. Instant results without solid evidence are often misleading. Its performance may vary with no proof of long-term durability. Few real-world testimonials make reliability uncertain. So, should you buy it? Proceed with caution. Without strong evidence or user feedback, the effectiveness remains questionable. Always research thoroughly before purchasing. So that's it for the review today. If this review helps, like, share, and subscribe.